Do you need to quickly start a new document, a new sheet, a new calendar invite, a keep note? Open new files in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you all the sweet things that you can do with G Suite. Today we'll show you how to use the .new shortcuts. Let's get started. In your browser address bar, type in doc.new, cal.new, keep.new, sheet.new, slides.new, or form.new. Each of these will bring up a brand new version of the respective file format in seconds. So there you have it. Create a new file in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow G Suite on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.